Hey kids, it's Karen from Art of Acrylics. Welcome to my fluid art channel. Today is going to be fun, taking a break from blooms. And I was asked to be the featured artist for a monthly collab of a collective of folks that have new channels and are trying to get over the 1,000 subscriber mark. And I'm the guest artist, and as such, I got to pick the technique and the rules. And I think everyone was thinking I was going to do something bloom, but instead I decided to give them the challenge of doing a wandering straight pour with 5 colors: black, white, and then 3 colors of their choice. So let's see what I can come up with. Let me get you down. All right, after that fail, let's try this again. I thinned up my colors. I'm gonna just layer a big cup. I tilted some more off, and we're gonna just layer a cup and try this one more time. So I'm gonna do the black, the blue, just a little bit of white. We'll do the copper or gold first. I don't know, we'll do copper and then the gold. And we'll just keep doing this. And we'll see if this works better. Wish me luck after that. See what I mean? Like it's like my hand shakes, or I just don't have patience. I'm not gonna lie, I just don't have the patience. That's layer number 2. I might be able to squeeze out 4 layers. We'll see. Okay. That's 3 layers. Let's see if we can get a baby layer. There goes the black. Oops. The blue. Am I out of white? A little bit of white. Plenty of copper left. Plenty of gold. And we'll just keep going with the colors I do have. So there's the end of the black. Oh, a bunch of blue. Kill off the blue. I'm out of white, so we'll go right to copper. Kill off copper. Dripping all over my canvas, that's okay. And then kill off the gold. So this is one big cup. I'm out of paper cups to make a point, so we're just going to have to deal and pour. So let's see if I can redeem myself here. Oh yeah, see, this is pouring out much better. Maybe that was the problem before. So we'll just pour a little and move a little. Pour a little, move a little. Maybe that's what I do. Just pour, move, pour, move, pour, move. Maybe stop for a second. Come up the other end. Pour. Oh, my gold is selling up. Move. Pour. Move. Yeah, this I can handle. Oh, South City all of a sudden too. Let me see. I'll stick some on this corner here. Give a little wiggle there. And then maybe I'll just stick the rest right there. Give a little wiggle at the end. And let me stare at this now. I already like it better. Yay. I'm going to kind of come up to this one corner up there and take this one bit all the way across because it's pretty. And then, oh, maybe I'll give a spin. And I'm going to come down a bit. See all this? I really like all this. I like that copper in the middle, like this thing here. I'm not so sure about all this nonsense. Let me come straight down. And then like maybe over a little. Yeah, because then I can get rid of that one part I don't like. Yep, bye. And then, oh, I kind of like those stripes. Oh, well, you can't have everything, Karen. I'm going to tip off this last corner because it's kind of spacey and kind of cool looking. Let me clean off my spinner a second. Like that. And oh, this got way prettier. I don't like this corner here with the white. The cells are super pretty. I love the cells. Can you guys see up here? Like, where's my finger wiggling? Yeah, up here. That's hella cool. I'm going to stretch those out, I feel. That's what I think, yeah. And have them come down a little bit. Down and over and kind of like situate things a little better. I don't really like this blue line right here with the white. Like I kind of want that to touch the other side. So I'm going to pull this down, and as I'm pulling it down, it should straighten out. And it did. And then bring things back to the middle. And then I think I'm going to give a spin and hopefully lose some of this here and this one little, you know, bikini corners at the other corner. I'm feeling redeemed. Going, and let me stop it. Oh, yay! This is pretty! Redeemed myself after that fiasco. Let me stare at it a second. I don't even know how much time I have for this video, so if I go too long, I'll speed up and do a voiceover. Let me stare, as I like to do. I would like to get off a little tiny bit more paint. Yeah, so I'm going to I like to get rid of, you guys see, this little, don't drip on it, Karen. This little thingy here, and a bikini corner at the opposite end. And like there's a blob of gold that didn't really sew up. It's just like a blob. So this should do the trick though, this last spin. And let me stop. Oh, yay. I got rid of the blobby things at both ends. I really only have one bikini corner, but it's cute and it's bright in the middle, and it looks like, I don't know what it looks like, but I am super happy with this. Ta-da! Let me wipe off the bottoms. I'm going to move it to my drying table, and we will get you guys down for a close-up. Be right back. All right, guys, here's what it looks like up close. I am super happy with it. I adore the color combo. I can't decide whether or not it looks like it's spacey or oceanic. like a combo of both, maybe. Like spacey, like there's an asteroid belt coming, look out. And then there's like the sky with the sunset, and then water, and then a bunch of coral reef with like an octopus coming at it. It's got it all going on. Yeah, but the colors, like this in the cells, like that is just so beautiful. And then these cells up here, look at these guys. Hella cool. Super thrilled. Yeah, I don't have time for the dry results. I will definitely show those in another video. Let me flip around and say goodbye. All right, guys, that's it for me. Thanks for watching the 1000 and Below collab. Like I said, please give everyone some love and help them get over the hump. Thanks for tuning in and watching. I might have to do a couple more wandering pours now. That was hella fun. Despite the rough start, that was my own bad for having my paint mixed too thick. But once I got it sorted, worked out pretty great. Anyway, you guys take care, be well, and I'll see you soon. Peace out.